Though grass withers, and flowers fade, but the word of our God stands forever. Isaiah chapter 40, verse 8. Where should we bloom? Is it by the stream where water is abundant? Is it by the sunlight? Or by the shade? In her memoir, My Forever Breath, Blooming in Suffocating Times, Erin Schultz inspires readers to bloom in the midst of life's deserts. My Forever Breath is a step-by-step guide to not just surviving normal setbacks, but also prospering in the face of enormous obstacles. Erin shares her 50 years of personal reliance on God, as well as a list of her pain, struggles, and extraordinary faith that carried her through. Erin, who longed for love, plunged into 2 failed marriages and thought of taking her own life. However, with God's faithfulness, she recounts her story so others who are going through what she has overcome may find inspiration to carry on the journey with God. Her perseverance in the face of adversity has given her a heart filled with compassion and the will to encourage other women to trust God with every part of their lives. My Forever Breath, Blooming in Suffocating Times, by Erin D. Schultz. Get your copy at www.youronlinepublicist.com.